Looking to buy a hosting and want to save maximum money? You came on the right video. What you going to do? You will going to click the link in my video description. After clicking the link, you will came on this page. On this page, you will going to get the latest working coupon code for the hostinger, and I update this hostinger every time when there is something change. So what you going to do? You will going to copy this coupon code and click on copy button, and you will came on this page. Here you can see the right now the 75% hosting discount is going on. But there is more. My coupon code work in every country in every plan. No matter you're going for 48-month, 12-month, or 24-month. For a demo, I show you with the most popular plan, business plan. I click on choose plan, and after some of the loading, here you can check out the price one time, and I click on got a coupon code. I enter my code and hit enter. As you can see, I say $53 over here. So it's the best coupon code right now if you want to look for the hosting. And Hostinger Horizon provides the perfect balance of performance and value for your website. It's designed to make managing hosting straightforward and efficient. You'll find it offers reliable uptime and powerful tools right at your fingertips. This makes it an ideal choice for growing your online presence without the high costs or complexity.